What's up, Caleb? Alright guys, so they're moving the engine into the boot. And sneak attack on brother. Boot! What? I'm taking a video.
Oh, perfect. He'll move. Okay, stop. So let's go clockwise. This got 10 feet, so we're playing. Yep. All right, so hold on. So what are we looking like? Come straight down. Come down more. All right, so I'm just thinking of that lip too. Yeah. So let's boom out. We'll just see where we end up. If we have to, I say we tighten up these. Yeah. Well, if we have to drop it. Yeah, we have to drop it. I'm gonna have him go clockwise again. I'm gonna have him go clockwise. Because we can swing it in really, too. Like pull it. Yeah, why you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah, we could. Let's go. All right, so you're gonna go. I'm gonna get you down a little bit and then clockwise again. Okay. You guys got it? You good?
Yeah.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
We might have to. Dude, I'm thinking like. Hold on, Dalton. Drop it. Like lose the chainsaw. Yeah, I'm just thinking out loud. Because like until I think. Well, or lose this. Or lose this. Yes. Because I have a chain. Yes. Or we can just go like this with the chain. Yes. In a ball. Let's do that.
You gotta lose that. You gotta lose something.
We gotta lose something. Yes. Yeah. Okay, so how are we gonna?
I have my 1 foot chain over there.
No. Well, we gotta. So we're gonna jack stands. We're gonna get all this wood. I need all that wood. No, just jack stands. Put the jack stands right under here. Oh yeah, that's true. Yeah, but what about your floor? No.
It's been 1 minute and 50 seconds.
The floor ain't gonna. No, we'll put something down, bro. I don't want to.
No, a YouTube video.
I don't want to be done and then you got marks on the
for
floor.
3 hours.
Reminding you of the.
No, sometimes one.
Reminded me of the fucking the time we did the engine, yeah. Well, I got that blanket there. Oh, that's it. Yeah, no, it won't break.
That's a lot of weight. I saw you kind of it moved the floor a little, just stepping on it.
Oh yeah.
I don't want. That's like a lot of. At least right here it did.
Well, I did. I did have the engine here before.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. Just give me the other two and some wood.
Okay.
If you can. Yeah. Hi, Caleb.
Hi.
You're doing a good job. Boats are crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Caleb, look at me. The phone. Look at the phone.
Stop the video.
No, look. Come over to me. We're making a YouTube video. So I can hold it. Yeah. And then I'll do all 4 corners. Yep. Remember, hey, these slide like this. Look. Right? Yep. I have them loose so I can do my alignment later. I'll get them centered. Yeah. Yeah, it's all we need is those. Yeah. All right, that's your side. I'll just do one here. Just something, dude. You know, I don't know. Yeah. Whatever.
You almost done?
All right, Dalton. So you're gonna go down slow, okay?
Just because it's been 3 minutes doesn't mean it's still done.
So you want it like that? Do the ass end first? Yeah. Ass end will hit first, and then we'll worry about the front. I'm gonna get him down slow. And hey, so we're just gonna swap it quick and hook it back up. Yeah, I got 2 bars.
Yeah, drop it like a foot or something, right?
Yeah, you get the bolt. Yep. All right. All right, so just go down slow. So the ass end will go down first. Yep. That's what you want, right? Yep. All right. You just watch that jack stand, okay? I got it. Yeah, go ahead. Just go slow. And I'm gonna center it on the bushes. Yeah. Like 1, like either end of the jack.
Yeah, I got it.
Just tell me when yours is
Oh,
hit.
wait, we can lower it with the chainsaw.
Stop!
Stop, stop!
Yeah, go ahead. Let's do that.
You know what? All right, it's sliding. So
Yeah,
hold
stop.
on.
It's been 4 minutes.
Come up, we're just gonna lower it with the chainsaw.
Yeah, let's lower.
Yeah, but it's sliding off of the
Oh, go up a little.
Is that a fart? Oh, okay, good.
All right, stop.
See how that was? All right, let me know, and I'll lower it with the chainsaw.
All right, yeah.
Which way's lower? It's that way.
Yep, there you go. Yep. Yeah, just keep doing that. Oh, wait, hold on. You're already here. Can you go up a little?
Yeah.
Actually, you know what? No, just go down. That's fine. I can use that rod. Still stay in the
It's because I want to take a video of over that.
I know. I know. Keep going, Jeff.
Well, it's been 5 minutes.
Wow. Oh, hold on. Let me move this jack around. Hold on.
Is this a YouTube video?
No, but it can be.
Then
Oh,
why
chainsaws are nice.
Then why don't you just post it on YouTube?
I go. Hold on. I go down.
I thought you hit right here.
Daddy, why don't you just post it on YouTube?
Well, we'll worry about that when I'm done.
Oh, you're on.
Go down.
Okay, never mind. You're good.
Go down, go down, go down.
I thought you were trying to do it. To make sense.
Well, we're doing the front too.
Yeah, I know, but at a time.
Oh.
Okay, want me to do the front?
Yep. That's fine. I'm gonna stay back here in case it tries to push back.
You know what?
I was going on the inside of it. Yeah.
I know, but I had to take it off front. I'm not worried.
Yeah. Or you could. Does this one pivot too? No, that's
Hi.
So I would go under it, John.
What?
Caleb,
straight under it.
Oh, yeah.
That's what I would do.
I need to take
Straight
a
under,
video
straight
of
under.
it. And Caleb,
Yeah, those are your bushings. Okay.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, I'm coming down.
Hey, watch the thing above your head.
Yep. All right, that's good.
Daddy,
there,
it's
John.
been 6 minutes.
Wow, dude. Keep going, John. Keep going, John. Yeah, that's perfect. Keep going. Oh, this one's like.
Not on?
Oh, where's the wood for this side?
No, it is.
It's
Keep
been
going.
6 minutes.
I'm not gonna hook until.
Yeah, bro. Keep going. Yep. That's good. Keep going. Keep going. And then don't. You can lower it now.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
All right. So, how do I do this?
Just undo it.
7 minutes. Daddy, been 7 minutes now.
All right.
He's gonna come down.
Should I come over here?
Yeah, let him come down first.
Yeah, you gotta.
You got that bolt with the nut? I'm gonna
Yeah.
use it. Stop! Get it real top.
The thing's super greasy. Watch your head.
This fucking shit. Alright, let me see that bolt.
Anyway,
I'm
right?
gonna put it here. I'm gonna put it here. Just because I think the weight's gonna shift this way.
Right, it's gonna
Not-
shift.
Yeah. So.
It's gonna tilt. Not that
8 minutes.
In the,
Yeah.
Yeah, and then once it's over, you guys can push down on the other side.
Yep.
And
All
then,
right. It might swing.
Yep.
I'll
Stay right in the corner
right
we
there.
landed. All right, go up, Dalton. Nice and easy.
I got this.
What are you thinking?
I want to be still.
You want it tighter?
There's those holes right there. If we could stick something, no, right above my hook, there's a set of holes. If you
Oh,
could
yeah.
stick something in, you got another foot there.
Yeah,
Oh,
but-
this.
If you have something strong enough.
This.
Well, we need a bar. Oh, you
I
could
have
hook
a
it.
shackle.
Oh no,
Yeah.
you could hook that, dude.
I have
A
shackles.
shackle might do it. Sorry to take up time. It's just
No,
Go
no.
down. Go
we're
down.
gonna
a
pick
little.
it up and then we're gonna say.
Go
Go
down.
down.
You want me to go get the shackle?
John, I think it might hook right in here, like
Yeah.
you said.
Going down.
Jeremy said it might.
Oh, fit right in.
9 minutes, Daddy.
Wow, that's impressive.
Jeremy said it might hook right into that.
Oh, we gotta, which way is slap? No good for that one. Don't get stuck on that. There you go.
Yes, it
Stop.
is.
Because it wasn't even good. It's
Oh,
not
yeah.
going to go all the way. That's what Mommy told me.
Man.
That would do it, I think.
If you go to,
Alright, so
if you
telescope
go to
out.
15 minutes, it's only going to
Alright.
cut down to
Yes.
like 9 minutes.
You guys out of the way?
Yep.
Stop.
Why, Landon? I wanted to
Actually,
get
have
it
this hanging on
to
this
like
side.
11 minutes. Why?
Yep. That's kind of long.
Oh, I hate it.
No, we'll just go slow.
No, it's not.
Hey, look at, pan over to Uncle Dalton. All right, go up.
Sorry.
Nice and slow.
Landon, why did you have to stop the video? Yeah. Well, Dan, well, you're lucky Daddy can put these dumb 2 videos together.
Okay.
That was perfect.
Yep, so I'm going to have him telescope out.
Let's get this so
Yeah.
we don't.
So I'm going to have him telescope out and then swing, okay?
Yep.
Are we clear?
I'm clear here.
Okay, telescope out, slow,
10 minutes.
until I say stop.
Put this on YouTube, huh?
Oh, I don't know. Everything's YouTube with them.
I know.
But
All
Daddy,
right, swing this way.
are you putting these 2 videos together?
Yeah, yes.
Well, 3
Huh?
videos.
That's fine.
Well, Daddy, these 3 videos.
Yeah, we can do all 3 of them. Or...
You're good.
We're getting there. Just watching the height. He's gonna have to come up a little bit.
Can I, Daddy,
Oh,
can I
can
come
choke up on this
forward?
too.
Yeah, let's do that.
What if you put
Choke up on that. I'm gonna have him stop. Hold on. Yep. Oh yeah. All right.
Is it clear?
What?
Get a picture of how close it is for our video. All right, we're clear. All right, Dalton, we're gonna telescope out. Oh, it's gonna be close.
If
Once he clears, he can go down, and he's gonna have more room.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because we're gonna have to tilt the engine like this.
Yes.
A little bit, and then right
That's
into the
fine.
hole.
I'm gonna show the big hole.
Yo, back
Careful,
up. You can't
careful,
get that close.
careful,
Just
careful.
keep. Just stay back.
I don't want you to get hurt, man.
I don't want you to get hurt, dude.
Stop.
Nobody wants you to get hurt. All right, stop. So go up a little. As soon as we clear it, he can swing. We'll have a little more room.
Don't worry about that light.
No, he'll be good.
I'm not worried about
Yeah. That's what I put on the Hummers, dude. Same brand, Amazon.
it. Yep.
All right.
Don't worry about it. It's Amazon. $10.
All right, you know what? Stop. Just boom out. We can boom out. Yeah, boom out. Yeah. Oh, no.
Perfect.
No, boom up. No, like boom out. Boom out.
No,
You
no,
turned
you're
it.
good.
I didn't turn it.
Oh, yeah, you did. Huh?
I moved out.
No, you didn't. Just
No,
go-
it turned.
it turned.
We don't want the boat to fall.
Just boom out? Alright.
Yep.
There's
Perfect.
no way I turned it.
That's
Don't worry.
weird. All right, stop. All right, so the game. I don't know.
I mean,
But he's gonna be able to lower it here. Yeah.
yeah.
All right, why don't we chain fall down for now? I want him to be. Actually, we could just tell him to lower it because that's the goal.
You give me a hair
Oh,
down.
No, I want him to lower it, John.
Okay, go ahead and lower it.
Yeah, that way I could get
Yes.
more in.
Yes. Yep.
You get more in, and then
And then we'll swing over more.
we're gonna swing it and turn it.
Well, I'll holler, okay? Just go slow. Yeah.
All right.
How are
Just
you
tell me
there?
about- Yeah, we're good. I'll let you know
Okay.
if I have to push out.
Yep. Just holler and we'll stop everything. That's all. It's gonna be tight. Stop!
Stop.
Swing! Can you swing?
No.
No, he can't. All right, so we're gonna chain fall.
All right, hold on.
Actually, let him boom out. Let him boom out a little.
We got this
Hey,
engine right
you know
here.
what I can do?
What?
I can try to straighten that out.
What?
Straighten out the boom.
How?
And then that would lower the boom where you're at.
Like this.
Yeah.
Got it?
So if I go down, I can't go down anymore, can I?
I can go with this and swing it in. I'm gonna try this. So if we
Let's
go
go
with
with
this,
that. Yep.
so we got that.
Yep. Hold on. Yep, keep doing that. Yeah, dude.
Okay, watch that energy.
Yep.
And then we're gonna have to swing it.
Yep. I can't really see on that
Watch
side.
that. I got it.
Okay. Okay, go. Hold on. Sorry. Okay, go. Yep. Yep. Hold on. Is it caught on that? Hold on. Do you have a pry bar?
Yeah, it's.
Do you have a pry bar? That's what we need right now.
I got the Tinker's bar right there.
You do.
I got Tinker's bar. That yellow one right there. It's huge.
I think he's got a crowbar.
Oh, okay, he's got one. I got Tinker's bar.
Tanker's bar.
Get that yellow bar. Yeah, because we gotta make that.
I do this.
Let me see.
So you can do something.
Oh. This is the videographer today, Mr. Caleb.
What?
He's doing very good.
Hey, does that look familiar?
The shop? Fucking love it.
Oh, would you guys work in Fall River together?
Yeah.
Yeah. We deployed together.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You
dude.
want me lower?
Yeah, you lower it.
And I'll use my.
Yep.
You need my hand up there or what?
Maybe. Alright, hold on. Yeah, keep going, John. Yeah, keep going.
Actually, if he comes down now,
Oh, yeah?
Yep, okay.
comes down a little bit.
Yep. That's
And
clear
then me
now.
and Jeremy's got to spin it.
Yep, and then I'll spin it. Will it
Actually,
spin in there?
he might have to extend the boom.
Yeah.